Hi, my name is Shiraz. I'm from India, but I was born and raised in Dubai. Currently, I'm living in the UK. I've been experiencing hair loss for the last 6 to 7 years, and I was quite concerned about the hair loss. So I started looking up online. I had a few friends who came to Turkey to get a hair transplant. But the thing is, they recommended me some of the places, but I just wanted to make sure if I'm making all this effort, if I'm going the step, I wanted to make sure that it's done from a place that will give me results, because money was not the concern for me, it was the end result, because I wasn't concerned about how I wanted the end results to be perfect. In all the places that I saw, Hair of Istanbul was the only place I could not find a bad review for. And that was convincing for me enough that for me to proceed on with you guys and get the hairline that I was hoping to get from, and will hopefully get in the end of this road. One of those things about that is like when it comes to grafts, the only knowledge that I had about it is like that's the amount of grafts that the amount of grafts that we're putting into your head, basically, so to get the best possible results. The more that they put in, the better hairline you're possibly meant to get back. And I was, but I left that to the experts. I did not want it to come in with saying I want these many or 4,000 or 5,000, because you guys have been doing this for long enough to see my hairline, be the better judge. So I left it to the experts to give me the best possible result. I wasn't told at the beginning of it, but I was told at the end of it how many grafts I got, which was around 6,000. I was extremely surprised because that's a lot more than I expected it to be. And they told me that I'm towards the higher end of receiving what the grafts that generally people use. And I've spoken to a few people here and there, and they told me they got around like 3,500 to 4,000. So I'm expecting something completely reliable and really amazing towards the end of this.